from the Startup screen, click on Open, browse to your Chapter 10 folder, and open Chapter 10 Duct Systems. In this exercise, I want to look at how duct systems are actually defined. They are a type of family. So in the project browser, scroll down until you get to the Families section. Expand this, and in here you will find duct systems. In here we have 3 predefined duct systems: exhaust air, return air, and supply air. We can see some of their properties in the Properties palette, but I can't actually change anything. So if I want to edit these, I need to right-click on one of the systems and click on Type Properties. I'm now faced with the properties for this particular system. It's the system family. Its type is supply air. We have graphic overrides where we can define the weight, the colour, and the pattern of the lines. The material, so we can assign particular materials to the system. And whether we want to do any calculations. Here we're defining that all calculations are done. We could apply for flow only or none. We also have the ability to put an abbreviation in here. A typical abbreviation for supply air is SA. If we build that into our supply air duct system, then whenever we draw a duct that is supply air, it will have an abbreviation SA, which we can tag. So what if we want another type of duct system? Maybe outside air. What we can do here is duplicate the supply air system and call it outside air. Essentially, outside air is another type of supply air system. Here we can change the graphic override so that they display differently to the regular supply air and have a different abbreviation. Notice how the abbreviation is now part of the properties in the Properties palette. And if we wanted a kitchen extract system, we can right-click on exhaust air, go to Type Properties, duplicate it, give it an appropriate name, and an appropriate abbreviation. Back in the drawing area, we can now select the duct tool and then select the appropriate system type.